Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 15 is carbohydrates. Now, the benefits of carbohydrates is it gives energy to the body, helps you sleep better, and keeps your memory sharp. Different foods that are rich in carbohydrates are oats, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, honeydew, and much, much more. So make sure you stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day, and I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 15 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, Criss Crosses. Number 2, squats. Number 3, plank jacks. Number 4, wall sits for 30 seconds. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so exercise number 1 for Fast 5 workout number 15 is Criss Crosses. So you're gonna put your feet shoulder width apart and you're just simply cross in the front, or you can go in the back, or you can do both, forward and backwards. Okay, so those are called Criss Crosses. Number 2, squats. Again, feet shoulder width apart. You're gonna drop your bottom straight down and up. Okay, again, here we go, feet shoulder width apart. Drop my bottom and up. The biggest thing that you don't want to do is hunch your back. Never hunch your back, okay? So again, drop your bottom straight down as low as you can to the floor. All right, so exercise number 3 is plank jack. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna point our hands forward. Our feet are gonna be wide, kind of like we're doing a jumping jack. We're gonna come in and out, in and out. While in the plank position, you're gonna have your feet go in and out, okay? We're gonna show you right here so you guys can see. Again, feet are in and out. In and out, okay? And last but not least, we got that wall sit for 30 seconds. In nice squat position, feet shoulder width apart, drop it and hold it. We're gonna hold it for 30 seconds, all right? All right, so make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 15, so stay tuned. 2, 1, and go. Again, Criss Crosses. You can go in front, you can go behind, or you can do both, forward and backwards. There you go. Come on. Once you get to a rhythm, this becomes a lot easier, my friends. Definitely get your heart rate going. Alright, we got those squats coming up. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Shoulder apart and squat down. Amazing. Remember the motto, just finish, my friends. Work hard. Every day. Alright, we got those plank jacks. Go on down to your mat. If you have one, right down to the floor. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, in and out. Let's go. Finish it off. Finish off with round 1 with wall sit. Woo! Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this workout. 3, 2, 1. And up. All right, 1 minute rest. Great job. We are done with round number 1, my friends. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, because I have now 14 other Class 5 workouts. This is number 15, as you guys know. Really appreciate your guys' support. Definitely thank you guys for tuning in for this workout. We have about 25 seconds left to get ready for round 2. And again, the great thing about these workouts is it only lasts 5 minutes. 5-minute workout. Okay? Work hard. Work hard. That's all I ask from you guys. Work hard. Okay? Just finish. Alright, get ready to go. Round number 2 again. We got Criss Crosses coming up. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Criss Crosses. And whatever you guys feel comfortable. Okay, if you need to step it out, that's okay. Step it out. Forward and back, okay? Whatever you guys feel comfortable with. Go at your pace. Best of your abilities. 10 seconds left. We got squats next. Great leg workout today. Alright, let's go squats. Each one apart and drop low. Woo! You're feeling it, drop comments below. Say, I'm feeling it! Holy guacamole, my legs on fire. Halfway through. Woo! Mindset, just finish. Alright, let's go. Plank jacks. Get down. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. So in, out. Keep your core tight. Seconds left. Alright, wall sits. And finish it off. Let's go. Low. How low can you go? Woo. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done, my friend. Great job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 15. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout. What was your favorite exercise? What was your least favorite exercise? Drop a comment down below. Again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high-five that subscribe button and you high-five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called the Shootout. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that game of the shootout. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, how you would modify it. If you enjoyed this virtual lesson, please drop a comment down below. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.